From Iron Blackbird Cycles. We're painting all the jams. As soon as we get the jams painted, we'll be starting on the jams and the roof painted. As soon as we get the jams, we've got those painted, but we're going to mix up some more paint, get ready to shoot the whole body of this and start clear coating it. And as soon as we get the clear coat done on the body, we will roll it from the paint booth into the main shop and let it dry. And I'll be working on the doors, deck lid, and grill. And she will be ready to go home. Y'all take it easy and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles. We got the 32 American Graffiti replica car in color. This is a really cool color. I have to admit, I'm not fond of light yellows, but in certain lighting, this yellow goes from a canary yellow to almost a lime color. I'll show you on the deck lid. You can really see it on the deck lid. You see it a little bit around the edges there. And pass this without getting in the clear. As you can see, it looks canary yellow. If I bring it around here and show you this deck lid, it's got a lime color to it. It's kind of really cool color. I like it.